in the park. And I've got black tights on. Somebody said put some black tights on, so I've got black tights and high heels again. I remembered this time. It's red ones, kitten heels, red patent leather kitten heels that my daddy bought me. Can you see that? Can you see the heels? So that's what they're like. Is that better? I remembered them this time. That's better sunlight because it was really strong behind me. So it's very noisy. That's why I'm talking so funny, because like the acoustics in the park, because there's a main road there. So it's quite sunny. So I didn't wear my biker jacket. So, but I've got my heels on again. But this time in the park, not at home. Now this is a dog tooth pencil skirt, and it's kind of tulip. I took up myself. It's got a lining. Get a lining. There's a lining, yeah. One more time. Oh, grab my heels. Ignore the leaves are falling. It's autumn. There's thistles. Can you see the thistles? That's me. Hi, Peter. Hi, Vicky. Hi, Terry. Hi, hi, everybody.